So today we're gonna be doing a nice natural look. Basically, it's something I do basically every day. Depends on the day. If I have time, if I don't, then this is not the quick look. You know, this is a look that we can do when we have time. So yes, today's color theme is blue. I know you guys are gonna be like, why are you wearing two different kind of blues? Your pin is blue, like dark blue, not dark blue, it's like kind of a darker blue than your shirt. And sweetie, the answer to that, I don't have baby blue pins, which I want so bad. I was looking on Amazon for some baby blue pins, and I was like, I need to cop some. But yes, so we're just gonna get right into the video. It's very self-explanatory, you know what I mean? Yeah. I'm just gonna start off by putting a little bit of primer because I've already moisturized my face. So I'm just gonna be taking some e.l.f. primer. And just to let you guys know, all of this is basically from the drugstore. I think there's only like 2 products that I use that are not from the drugstore. So I'm just letting you guys know. So if you guys see me looking down, it's because like the mirror is down here. And I put it right where the camera is, so I don't have to be looking to the side or anything, because I filmed this video already once before and like it was tragic. So oh yeah, and it's the e.l.f. hydrating primer. Wow. We love a beauty guru. Yeah, so then I'm gonna be using, it's kind of dirty, sorry, but I'm gonna be using the Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me foundation in the shade 120 because, you know, this is just a really good foundation. And I'm gonna be using a brush because I feel like it goes on more even if I use a brush. And I'm just gonna be taking what's on the rim first and then pouring some onto the top so I could get, ooh, okay. I don't even know what color I am, you guys. Like, I went to the store to buy like my foundation, right? I was like, oh my god, I should just thought it. Well, anyways, I messed up already. But what was I saying? I went to the store and then I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy foundation because I'm already running out. So I'm like, I'm gonna buy foundation. And I used to use the Dewy Plus Smooth one. That one's pretty good too. But I went to the store and then I didn't know what color I was because I don't really use foundation, right? So I was like, oh, I don't know what color I am. I remember it was one something that had 0 at the end. So I was like, okay, I gotta make the good guess of like what it was. So then I was just like holding the foundations up to my face. I was like, what color is this? And I was taking pictures of it. I'm like, I can't find it. I'm like, I don't know which color, because you know in the bottle it looks kind of different than it does like on your skin. So I'm just like, let's just try. And then I got this one. I think this one's like pretty good. I'm not sure. I kind of look weird, I know, it's scary, but okay. Now I'm just gonna be taking my beauty blender, my Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm gonna just be blending it. But yeah, oh, there's a little eyelash. Billie Eilish? No, I'm playing. Okay.
Okay, hi. Sorry to interrupt your little viewing, but I just wanted to say that I'm cutting a part out of the video, which I just started talking about something really random. So I'm just letting you guys know. So if you hear me saying, oh, continuing on, yeah, I just cut out a random piece of video that it's kind of weird, random, okay? But anyways, this is a makeup video, so continuing on.
And now I'm gonna be, before I continue, I'm gonna be using the Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade Ivory. Okay, anyways, so now I'm gonna be taking this Matte Plus Poreless 130 beige powder. So I'm just going to be taking a brush and lightly dusting it because this thing is already matte. So I'm just like, I'm not trying to look cakey, you know. And any creasing, just gotta fix that. I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. contour palette. We love that. We love her. And you guys might be wondering, Destiny, where's your light? Like, why is it kind of dim? I'm using natural lighting because we love I don't know what's the word, but we love her. We love a natural lighting queen. Oh yeah, I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette. But anyways, I'm just gonna take this and I'm putting it on the bottom of my jaw. I'm making a jawline because we all want that jawline, you know. We're trying to look like we snatch nose, snatch everything. So I'm gonna dip, so I'm gonna grab this little brush. It's a really cute aesthetic brush, and I'm gonna take it and dip it into the darker shade, and I'm just gonna contour a little bit on the nose because we want to snatch nose. Now you guys might be like, Destiny, what are you doing? I'm just contouring, sus. And I'm not a guru, okay? I just do what I can to make myself look okay and decent. I might not be a guru, but I am trying. I'm not trying to be a guru, I'm just trying my best to do this. I should have done a video of me getting ready for cheer because that would have been like such a cool video, to be honest. So I'm gonna be taking the Milani blush. Wow, we love her. So we're taking the Milani blush and the color Tea Rose. And I'm just gonna be dipping that and putting it on my, ooh, is this thing wet? Oh my gosh. Why is it wet? I don't know. Anyways, I don't care. So I put a little bit on my cheeks just to give me some, you know, color. You know what I mean, Shalifine? You guys, let me know, because I recently like let my friend borrow my what's it called, my eyelash curler and my mascara, and like she curls her lashes, puts on mascara, then curls her lashes again, doesn't let it dry, and like, no shade, obviously, I never knew people did it like that. I thought just like, okay, for me what I do is like I put on the mascara, right? I put on mascara, I let it dry, so I do something else on my face, like do my eyebrows or something, and then I come back to my eyelashes at the end and I curl it again and I put a little bit more mascara, so then my lashes look popping. So that's how I get my lashes like really long. I don't know about you guys, but comment down below how you do your eyelashes, because I know some people do it like that. And then after I'm done letting it dry and then I curl it again, like I use a spoolie to like separate the lashes, and it looks like you're wearing falsies, girl. Like, it's really good. I think you guys should do it. It's like, if you guys don't do it like that, then you guys should try it, because I feel like people who don't do it like that tend to rip out their lashes. No shade, no shade, but I'm just saying, like, try it new. Okay, I might try it the way you guys, like some people do it, because I feel like some people actually do it like that. More people do it like that. So I'm gonna try it. Not today, because this is my kind of makeup routine, but I will try it, and I will let you guys know. Oh my god, my lips look so crusty. Okay, anyways, gotta let that dry. I'm just spooling, that's word, right? Okay, I'm just brushing out my eyebrows because we about to slay them. Like, I don't have my current pencil that I use, so I'm gonna just be trying to fill it in as much as possibly as I can. So what I do, since I do not have my eyebrow pencil, I usually use the NYX micro brow pencil. I don't have it with me, so I'm gonna be using the Tame and Frame tinted brow pomade. We love her. Okay, I know what you guys are thinking. Your eyebrows, Destiny, you need to get them fixed. And you know what I say to that? You're right, because I feel like, okay, I usually do my eyebrows at home, right? I feel like I need to go get them done. Like, I might make a video of that, like me getting my eyebrows done for the first time. I know there's videos out there like that, but like legitly I want you guys to come with me to like get it done, because I feel like if I just go on my own, like don't record it, like what's the point, you know? The point is that I want you guys to come with me and experience it with me, because like, you know, it's better like that. Anyways, I need my brow pencil, you guys. Like, oh my goodness, like this is so bad. You know what, I'm just giving up with the brows at this point, because I'm not supposed to be doing my brows like that, okay? I know this, but the thing is, they look so bad. I'm just so sad that my eyebrows came out like trash. You know what? It's fine. It's Gucci. We'll deal with it. We'll still be able to carve them out, you know? No worries. Where's my brush? I found my brush. Okay. So I'm gonna take these little brush. I forgot to tell you guys, I'm using the instant age rewind to carve out my brows. I don't know why or how, but pins are getting trendy. Somebody let me know who started the trend. Because you know your girl is on top, got on the trend because we love a trendy sister. So let me know who started it, cause like I feel like everybody, I literally see everybody at my school, like I started wearing pins, right? I started wearing pins, and then all of a sudden I see so many girls wearing pins now. I'm like, my goodness. I'm like, who started the trend? I know it wasn't at my school, because I even see like some famous YouTubers now like wearing pins. I'm like, who started this? Like, what? Do they look any better? I mean, they look fuller, I guess. I mean, it's not bad. Oh my god, story time. I just remembered something. This is like a chit chat, get ready with me. So I'm gonna be taking the Festivals by Juvia's palette. This is not a highlighting palette. I just like the gold for highlight, so I'm gonna be using that. But story time. I used to use like the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. If you guys know what it is, it's not the new one, the recent one. Like they came out with a recent eyebrow pencil. It's like much better than the old one, but I used to use like the thick ones. Like if you use the micro brow pencil from NYX, you know that it's like really thick. The $2 ones, those are really thick, and like they're not meant for outlining or anything. They're like meant for like filling in, I'm pretty sure, because if you're using those for your eyebrows, like, sweetie, what the heck. Anyways, so I used to use the darkest shade. Like, you guys don't even understand. My parents would be telling me, oh, why is your eyebrows so dark? And then I'm like, what do you mean? And they're like, yeah, your eyebrows are so dark. I'm like, okay, I don't know what you're talking about. And then I look back now and I see how my eyebrows are so, like, not right now. My eyebrows are pretty okay right now because I actually know how to do my eyebrows, kind of. Everybody's gonna be like roasting me like, you don't know how to do your eyebrows. Anyways, so I would use this dark e.l.f. It was a thick brow pencil, and I would use it and just like fill in everything. Like, I wouldn't even outline it, like nothing. I would just fill it in, and my eyebrows would look like freaking have caterpillars, like freaking mustaches on my freaking face. Like, it was so bad. And I was just, now I just look back on the pictures and I'm like, oh my god. Why did nobody ever tell me? And then I think back, like, actually some people actually did tell me. Oh, you see that? You see that, sus? You see that? The difference. I wanted a catfish today. I wanted to put in my contacts, but I was like, we love a natural sister, so no. So then I was like, why did I do this to myself? Like, I know how to use these things now, but back then I would tell myself, like, if I could go back in time, I would tell myself, you know what, sus? Don't use those brow pencils. Like, you could use them, but don't overdo it, because sus, I was just scribbling in my eyebrow. Oh my gosh, if I could find a picture, I will insert it right here. But it was so bad. It was so bad. Anyways, so I think we're almost done. Basically, we're almost done. I'm gonna be taking a little bit of this matte lipstick and I'll put some on my lips, just dabbing it a little bit, because this is a very like nice color, but also like I don't feel like today I should like fully on and go super same. It's e.l.f. It's e.l.f. and it's in the shade Blushing Brown, which is a really cute shade. The last thing I think I'm gonna do, because I'm pretty sure I'm done with everything, is I'm gonna take the e.l.f. lip locker, the lip locker, I'm gonna say lip locker, and I'm gonna put some on my lips. I'm kind of done. I'm sorry the eyebrows are kind of trash. It's fine. I gotta take out these. So So this is basically, I'm basically done, to be honest. Like it's not that much, but it isn't that little. I put in my clips in the morning because I was trying to fix my bangs, because my bangs were kind of like all over the place, but it's fine. This is the finished look. It's mostly natural. It's nothing like too, as you could say, like too strong, you know. Oh yeah, I was gonna tell you guys, so like before I end this video, I usually put my clips like in the back because I don't like putting it right here. I mean, I could, but like I don't really like it because I think it makes my forehead look big, so I just put my clips back here. Let me try to do it. Okay, which looks better, honestly. I feel like I got a big forehead if I do that. I don't know, it's my preference, but I will wear some clips sometimes like that. It depends on the day. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was kind of random, but I just wanted to film, you know, like film a cute video today. And yes, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.